So my dear friends, develop such habits which will give you name, which will give you fame. And one such habit is learning English. I mean, you need to include English in your daily routine and make it a habit. And you see where you reach within few months. I have few habits. Like when I wake up in the morning, every morning I will do yoga. I will have a cup of green tea every morning. So these are my few habits which I have cultivated over a period of time. So my dear friends, before we move to the next part, do you have any such good habits? If yes, put it in the comment so that everyone can see your habits and learn from you. There are advantages of developing English habits. There are some important things which you can overcome if you make English your habit. Firstly, boring. This is a very common word. Whenever you try to read something, you will feel it's bored. You will not feel like reading something or learning some English lessons, which will result in postponing. You will try to postpone your English learning. Also, many questions arises in our mind. Whether I am learning or not. Whether I am following the correct routine to learn English. Whether my fluency is improving or not. So once you develop this habit, all these thoughts will stop coming in your mind. Another factor why you need to make English your habit is many a times you get demotivated. Especially when you see someone speaking very fluently, very nicely, you get demotivated, thinking that, oh my God, he or she can speak so well. But see, I'm a poor guy, I cannot speak well. That demotivates you. And you will try to find some excuses. Oh, not today, I will learn tomorrow. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. In this way, it affects your English learning. So my dear friends, let's see how to make English our habit. I will share with you 3 ways how you can include English in your life. The first one, try to make English your friend. So what we do with our friends? We try to mingle more, right? We try to spend more time with our friends. Same way, when you feel that English is your friend, you will try to give more time, more priority to your friend. This will help you a lot. Try to take small steps. Maybe in the morning, you take up 10 minutes to read something or listen something. In the evening, try to find out 10 minutes where you can watch some good English videos which will improve your listening skill. As I said, read something in the morning. Listen to something whenever you get some free time. Or talk to someone whenever you get a chance. In this way, slowly you develop the habit of learning English. Like learning few vocabularies. Take out some time to learn how to form sentences. Some grammar rules. But remember one thing, it should not be boring. Love what you do so that you can do what you love. Because when you start loving what you do, slowly it will become a part of your life and it will become a habit and you will start loving it. You will see a fast improvement. So what you can do? Pick up a book or watch some comedy series or listen to some podcast. See, these are small things which you can do anytime. If you are free or if you have time to relax, just do all these things. Include in your life and see the changes which happens inside you. Whenever we get time, we try to play with our mobile, video games or WhatsApp or social medias. That has become a habit. Now try to replace those with some good habits like learning English. Maybe you spend 1 hour or 2 hours every day in WhatsApp or in your social medias. It's just a waste of time, right? So take out at least 15 to 20 minutes from that time and start learning something different. And you see how beautiful you feel, how nice you feel. And slowly English will become your best friend. Fix a time and a place. This is a very important part. Morning, when you wake up, spend 10 minutes. Evening, whenever you are free. Fix 10 minutes. So in the morning 10 minutes, in the evening 10 minutes. That's enough for a day. So this is a time you need to fix. It's not that, oh, I'm not feeling energetic. No need to study now. Not like that. Whenever you fix a time, it should be like you are dedicated to that time. And a place, Fix a place. If it is not inside your home, maybe a park nearby or a free open space. Wherever you like, just sit down and study. So a place and a fixed time will help you to improve your English, and it will become a habit, a part of your life. Remember, at the beginning, you may feel tough to manage time, but within few days, you will get comfortable because it will become a habit for you. Finally, I have a book. This is the book, Atomic Habits. In this book, there is a technique which is called reward technique. I love this technique. The way the author explained, it says that you have to reward yourself. How? How to apply this in your English learning habits? So what you can do, every time you learn something new, you reward yourself. Suppose, today morning you studied, evening also you are done, and you are happy with your progress. Now it's time for you to reward yourself. Maybe you can reward yourself with some pastry, or maybe you can go out for a walk so that you feel more relaxed. This is how you reward yourself. Again, the entire week you did something good. You have achieved your goal. On the weekend, go out for a movie or go out to play with your friends. If you have anything to share with me, please write in the comment. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.